Are you feeling frustrated because you've spent so much time creating all these materials, yet your child does not even take a glance at it or even bother looking at it? Hi, I'm Athena, an ABA educational and social skills therapist and a parent coach for families with children with autism. And today we're going to uncover how to get your child to use the communication app that we have just created in the last episode. And if you have not checked that out, do check them out after this video. So if you have been following me through the episodes, you would have already known how to create something like this. And for this, today we will invite Winnie back. Winnie, come! Hello! Hi Winnie! And good to have Winnie back with us today. So what we're going to do is to show you how to get your child involved and be interested in the communication app that you have just created. First things first, we need to think from our child's perspective. So to them is, why should I use this communication app? And how is it going to benefit me? The only way for them to find out is to get a positive reinforcement from it. So you present the options to Winnie and get Winnie to choose. So let's say if your child is unable to choose, you can prompt a little bit, hand over hand, and have his hand touch the screen. Spinner! So the app says spinner, and you immediately reinforce Winnie or your child with the spinner. Whatever toys that your child has picked, you have to give that specific toy. So then you present it by maybe spinning the toy in front of your child. Winnie, look! Spinner! Whee! And your child gets very excited. Then pull it away after maybe 3 seconds and present the app to your child again. Now your child is starting to understand how is this going to benefit him. The moment I choose something from the screen, I would get what the screen is showing. So in this case, spinner to spinner. If it's a dino, then I'll get a dino. And with this immediate reinforcement, your child will start to understand, I can use this to communicate when my words don't speak. And so that's how we can start introducing the app to your child to help with communication, especially in moments of frustration when they are unable to access to their words. Pictures would really help them to communicate more effectively. So try it today, and in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to slowly increase the distance between you and your child for them to come and get your attention instead of them just pressing on the spot, expecting it to appear magically. Stay safe, be empowered, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.